Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Circle K website. You can proceed with logging in to your account if you wish to do so, but you can also change your password without logging in. Click on the Contact Us button at the top right corner and now just simply fill up the form. Type in your full name, your email address and your phone number, followed by your zip or your postal code and the area. Then choose any store address within the store address section, and underneath I have a question about, click on the drop down menu and click on website. Now within the comments section, just type in it that you have forgotten your password and you wish to reset this credentials. Once you have typed in your message clearly, click on I'm not a robot and then click on the submit button, which will send your report to the Circle K support team. Once your report has been sent, you will receive an email from the support team within a few days, from which you can simply click on a link and proceed forward with changing your password. Once you have changed your password, you will be able to use this new password along with your original credentials to log in to your Circle K. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.